Click on the link below to get price. The Honda EU3000iS is a powerhouse in the world of portable generators, offering a perfect blend of performance, efficiency, and convenience. With a remarkable output of 3,000 watts, it is ideal for a range of applications, from powering your RV during camping trips to providing backup power during outages. One of its standout features is the CO Minder technology, which monitors carbon monoxide levels and automatically shuts down the generator if dangerous levels are detected. This adds a significant layer of safety, especially for indoor or enclosed space use. The inverter technology ensures that the generator produces stable and clean power, making it suitable for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. The quiet operation, rated at 57 dBA, means it will not disrupt your peace during outdoor activities or while working at home. Users will appreciate its fuel efficiency. The EU3000iS can run up to 20 hours on a single tank of gas at a quarter load, making it perfect for extended use without frequent refueling. Starting the generator is a breeze with its electric start feature, and it also has a recoil backup for added reliability. Weighing in at around 131 pounds, it is relatively lightweight for a generator of this capacity, and the built-in wheels and handle enhance its portability. However, it's worth noting that while the price point is higher than some competitors, the reliability and performance justify the investment. In terms of output options, the generator includes both 120V and 12V outlets, allowing versatility in powering various devices. The fuel gauge is a thoughtful addition, providing users with a clear indication of fuel levels. Overall, the Honda EU3000iS is a reliable, efficient, and safe choice for anyone in need of portable power. Whether for work, play, or emergency situations, this generator stands out as a dependable solution.